Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool called Runway. So this is everything you need to make content fast. So there are magical AI tools, real-time collaboration, precision editing, and more. Your next generation content creation suite. So you can try it for free. So you can come to this website and it can do many things that normal video editors cannot do. The important features here is magic AI tool. As you can see here, you can select one person from here and that person can be put as a green screen video to another place, and you can remove people also from there, which are not normally possible without green screen. So all this functionality you have it here, and other functionality that you have here is ability to remove the background, like I mentioned. You see, you can remove the background just by instantly removing it. Then you can paint out objects. If you don't want this object to be in the video, you can just paint it out and that will be removed. Then there is motion tracking, automatic video motion tracking. Track the movement of an object with just one click. It will track the movement. Then you have collaboration, where each member in your team can come and work on a video. So some people can go and remove the add sound into it. Some people can remove particular sections of the video. All those things can be collaborated and done. As you can see, there are pre-usable usable templates that is available here. See, people are collaborating and they can say rotation, opacity, volume, all those things. Then you can see the different people, what they are doing in that video. All those things you can do it from here. So in terms of pricing, they have competitive pricing. So up to 3 per edit it's free, and the other ones is like 12 per editor per month if it is billed annually. If it is billed monthly, it's like $15 per editor per month. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.